Every night I leave the hallway light aglow, listening for footsteps that I used to know. Although the seasons change, I'm still here the same. My tears keep on falling like the English rain, like the English rain. The garden gate still leans the way it always did. Your roses climb the wall where summer days once hid. Everything remains, but nothing stays the same. My tears keep on falling like the English rain, like the English rain. The old photographs are faded on the wall. Sometimes I still hope to hear you call. Although the years have passed, the hurt remains. My tears keep on falling like the English rain, like the English rain. Folds its colors into gray again. The blackbird settles silent in the lane. I watch the fading daylight blur the window pane as my tears keep on falling like the English rain, like the English rain, like the English rain.